Hello and welcome to the video. Now, those of you that have been watching all the videos over the festive period will have spotted there have been a number of giveaways called Christmas prize draws. Three of them between Christmas and New Year. However, those who are keen-eyed, who watch all my videos, will actually have spotted an extra one that was hidden away at the end of this video here for this Toolkit RC thing. So standard stuff, as it is New Year's Eve. Let's pull the names out the hat. Got to go through the advert. So this is for the M4 pocket charger from Toolkit RC, and usual stuff. All of them were exactly the same. You have to like, comment and subscribe, so nothing particularly onerous. So let's find out who won this. Quite a few people have liked it. Thank you to everybody who got involved with the spirit of this. So we'll put the URL into the random comment picker, get rid of the duplicates, stop anyone gaming the system, get all of the entries. Not a huge amount, so that's great. You've got a reasonable chance of winning. So, with that done, the winner of the Toolkit RC pocket charger is Tim Robson. Tim, congratulations. Standard stuff, pop me your shipping address details to lee@painless360.com. Stick it to me in an email. We'll just have to confirm it's the same person who left the comment on the video. Long story, but some people, believe it or not, have tried to claim things they're not welcome to. And best wishes for the new year for you as well. So that's the first one done. Let's close everything down and get on with the ones that were a little bit more obvious. Now the thing is, I can't quite remember which way round these all were. So the first one, okay, this is for the Filamentive. So this is for a roll, a 1 kilogram roll of whatever plastic you want and whatever colour you want, and Filamentive. Whoops, let me just cut and paste. Filamentive, unfortunately, can only ship to the UK, so the winner of this will have to confirm they're in the UK, otherwise, unfortunately, forfeit the prize. So the winner of the Filamentive is Alf Ratcliffe. Alf, congratulations. Now, having a name like Alf, that sounds like you're somebody in the UK, but please confirm that that's the case. Pop me your shipping address via a message to lee@painless360.com. and then I'll put you in touch with Filamentive. And if you want to give me an idea of what plastic and colour you want, then also, I can kind of pass that on and Filamentive can ship it out to you. That's a nice way to start the year. Congratulations, Alf. Next one then is, which one was this one? Play again. Oh, good. No advert. Okay, this was for the Menis RC antenna packs. Now there's a choice of two here. There's the one for the digital DJI system or an analog pack. I use both of them here. Big thank you to all of the vendors for doing this. Let's load everything in. So, yep, quite a few people are interested in this. The winner of the Menis RC antenna pack is Stephen Fennell. Stephen, congratulations. Pop me an address on lee@painless360.com. Also, let me know whether or not it's the analog or digital version that you want, and then I can pass those details on to Menis and they can ship it out to you. Congratulations, Stephen. Best wishes for the new year. That leaves one more, which is the radio, I think, from 3DXR. Thanks to 3DXR again for putting this thing forward. Come on. Yeah. Alright, come and subscribe. Let's find a picture of the thing. Come on. That'll work. So this is what it is. It's one of the Radiomaster T8 Pros. Radiomaster have lots of 3DXR have lots of Radiomaster stuff. So if you're interested in Radiomaster stuff in the UK, they're a good place to have a go. So usual stuff. Cut and paste the URL. Get rid of duplicate users. Yeah, quite a few were interested in this as well. So the winner of the Radiomaster radio is Brian Borman. Brian, congratulations! Again, same instruction. Pop me your address details to lee@painless360.com. We'll confirm your address and get this out to you. So congratulations to Tim Alf, Stephen and Brian for winning the prizes. Commiserations to everyone else, but I'd like to take this opportunity to wish everyone a fantastic new year and a wonderful 2022. Do stay tuned because there will be more giveaways as we go through 22. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.